Hello dear students, welcome to your favorite channel PVN Science Study. I am Dr. Pratap Naikwade. In today's video, we will study
General characters of class Musci. Class Musci represent higher bryophytes. We will see distribution, gametophyte, reproduction, sporophyte, as well as alternation of generations in the members of class Musci. First of all, we will see distribution of class Musci. This is a class of higher bryophytes which contains 660 genera and 15,000 species. Members of class Musci are commonly called as mosses. The mosses are worldwide in their distribution and occur in almost all situations where life is possible, except sea. The leafy plant body of moss is better adapted for a life on land, and they flourish well in wet and humid regions such as moist mountain forest of tropics and subtropics. Some members of class Musci can withstand periodic drought in the temperate and Arctic tundra regions. These are the photographs showing occurrence of the class Musci members. Some species of class Musci are also found on weight also of the building, as you can see here, as well as the bark of the trees and on land. One species, Tortula desertorum, is also found in the desert, as you can see here. Dear students, now we will study morphology of gametophyte. The gametophyte of moss comprises of two growth stages, that is, juvenile stage is called as protonema, as you can see here, and the adult leafy stage is called as moss plant or the gametophore. So this is the protonema, which later on modifies and developed into a complete gametophore, or commonly known as moss plant. The protonema is haploid, green, and usually filamentous structure, directly arises from the spore. As you can see here, the gametophore is radially symmetrical and differentiated into rhizoid, central axis or stem, and green leaf-like expansion, commonly known as leaves. But these organs are not true, because true vascular tissues, that is xylem and phloem, are absent. Hence, the stem is called as cauloid and leaves are called as phylloid. The rhizoids arise from the base of the stem, as you can see here. They are slender, branched, multicellular with oblique septa between the walls. The functions of rhizoidal systems are absorption of water and minerals and fixation of gametophore to the substratum. The stem or the cauloid is usually erect and sparingly branched. The branches are never axillary but are either extra-axillary or lateral. Internally, cauloid showed a simple internal structure. Phylloids are spirally arranged on the stem and are attached to it by a broad base. They are sessile, linear to oblong, ovate, or subauricular in shape with entire margin and acute apex. So this is regarding morphology of gametophyte of class Musci members. Now we will see reproduction in class Musci. In class Musci, vegetative as well as sexual reproduction is common. Vegetative reproduction takes place by different ways such as progressive growth and death, branching of leafy system, formation of modified branch of bird-like form, primary protonema, multiplication of protonema, secondary protonema, gymmi, tubers, persistent apices, and apospory. Sexual reproduction takes place by formation of multicellular sex organs which are usually developed on the gametophore in terminal clusters. Male sex organ is Antheridium, while the female sex organ is Archegonium. The sex organs are with long stalk and are mixed with the sterile green filaments called paraphyses, and both are surrounded by the pericacheal leaves. The male sex organs are called as Antheridia, as you can see here, which later on produce the male gamete antherozoid or spermatozoid, while the female sex organ is known as Archegonium, which later on produce the female gamete, that is egg. Some mosses are monoecious, that means both the sex organs are present on the same gametophore, while others are dioecious, which means the male and female sex organs are found on different gametophores. Very common example of dioecious moss is Polytrichum. Antheridia at maturity produce biflagellate male gametes called antherozoid, which fuses with male gamete egg by the process of fertilization, and a diploid oospore is formed, which eventually develops into the diploid sporophyte, as you can see here. Now we will see morphology of sporophyte. So this is the diagram which shows the gametophyte as well as the sporophyte of member of class Musci. This is the gametophyte and this is the sporophyte. The sporophyte of members of class Musci is differentiated into foot, seta and capsule. The foot is basal region and is embedded in the tissues of the tip of the leafy gametophore. It functions both as an anchoring and absorptive organ. As you can see here, seta is long, slender, slightly twisted reddish brown stalk-like structure which elevates the capsule far above the level of gametophore. This is capsule. Capsule is a complex structure and exhibit high degree of specialization. It is differentiated into basal apophysis region, middle theca region and apical operculum region. Apophysis region is specialized in photosynthesis. Theca region is specialized in spore production, while the operculum region is specialized in spore discharge. Now we will see alternation of generation or life cycle of members of class Musci. Here, life cycle of class Musci shows two clear morphologically distinct generation, that is diploid sporophytic generation and haploid gametophytic generation. The gametophyte has two distinct stages, that is protonema and gametophore. This is autotrophic as well as independent generation. The gametophore is readily symmetrical and differentiated into rhizoids, cauloid and phylloids. It is haploid sexual generation producing male and female sex organ, which in turn produce male and female gametes. As a result of fertilization, diploid zygote is formed, which later on develop into the sporophytic generation. The sporophyte is partially parasite on gametophyte and is differentiated into foot, long seta and capsule. The haploid spore germinates to produce filamentous protonema on which buds arise, and later on it is developed into the gametophores. Thus, in the life cycle of class Musci, haploid gametophytic generation alternates with diploid sporophytic generation, and diploid sporophytic generation alternates with the haploid gametophytic generation, so known as alternation of generation. Dear students, with this we have completed life cycle as well as general characters of class Musci. Thank you.